This is the fastest and most delicious salad you'll encounter, a popular dish from a renowned restaurant. Let's jump right into the recipe. You'll need half a head of lettuce, your choice. Make sure it's crisp and fresh. If you're feeling adventurous, swap the lettuce with spinach for an extra nutritional punch. Both work amazingly well. Now let's get chopping. This salad is all about texture and freshness. Cut the lettuce or spinach into bite-sized pieces, ensuring each mouthful is a burst of freshness. It's a simple step but crucial for the perfect salad. Next up, tomatoes. 2 small ones will do. The trick here is to remove the seeds to avoid making your salad soggy. Slice them into thin strips, keeping them uniform for that professional touch. This not only looks good but also ensures each bite is consistent in flavor and texture. Moving on to the onion. A medium one should be enough. Give it a good wash, peel it, and then slice it in half. Carefully remove the core and then slice it into fine julienne strips. This technique lets the onion meld seamlessly with the other ingredients, offering a subtle sharpness that elevates the overall taste. Cheese time. Grab 200 grams of fresh cheese. It adds a lovely creaminess to the salad. Slice it into thin pieces, then sticks, and finally into small cubes. The size is key here, as you want the cheese to integrate well without overpowering the other flavors. Remember, you can always swap it out for something else if cheese isn't your thing. Tuna adds a fantastic depth to this salad. Drain 2 cans of chunked tuna well to keep the salad from being too oily. The type of tuna you use can vary. Oil-packed brings richness, while water-packed keeps it light. For the dressing, mix the juice of 1½ lemons with olive oil, a dash of pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. This creates a simple yet zesty dressing that ties all the flavors together. It's all about balancing the tangy lemon with the smoothness of the olive oil. Now the fun part, bringing it all together. In a large bowl, combine the chopped lettuce or spinach, sliced onion and tomato, cubed cheese, drained tuna, and a can of corn. This is where your salad starts to come to life. Pour the lemon and olive oil dressing over it, and then gently mix everything with 2 forks. This step is vital for evenly distributing the flavors and getting that perfect mix of all the ingredients. This salad is not just about throwing together a bunch of ingredients. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, each component playing its part to create something truly special. The crispness of the lettuce, the sweetness of the tomato, the sharpness of the onion, the creaminess of the cheese, and the richness of the tuna, all brought together with that zesty dressing. It's a testament to how simple ingredients, when combined with care, can create a dish that's both satisfying and healthy. This tuna and vegetable salad is a breeze to make and a delight to eat. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, and it's sure to impress anyone who tries it.